Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am just unboxing the mystery box from October 2018 from BeScented. Not gonna lie, I forgot to hit the record button, so this embed mold was covered in plastic. It was sealed, so it was pretty clean. But got the embed mold, got the red high heels color. The red high heels color is the true red color from BeScented. Got some red jojoba beads. Those would be fantastic in like a white base soap. The red raspberry mica powder is fabulous. It's a great color. It's hard to tell. It looks kind of orange there, but it's a really, really nice deep red. So if you're looking for like a deep raspberry, deep strawberry color, that's a great one. And then we've got a whole selection of Valentine's Day themed fragrance oils. This one's Lick Me All Over. I actually just made two huge batches of that. We've got Sweet Berry Licious. It's so fruity and just smells amazing. It's like raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. Smells really good. This is Sparkling Champagne, which is very Valentine's Day themed appropriate. That is the Cherry Champagne Toast from BeScented. I have actually never used that one before, so I'm excited to try that one. Strawberry Musk. Again, that's going to be a really nice Valentine's Day theme for wax tarts, candles, soaps, bath bombs, you name it. Wild Berry Tulips is one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works. Love that one. This is Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. Looks like I got, oh, and Rainbow Sherbet, whoops. I got two 1 ounce Love Spells and two 1 ounce Rainbow Sherbet. So I got 2 ounces of those. She must have just run out of the bigger sizes. And I just screwed that up taking them out. But those are fantastic fragrances.